pushes out of the way.
Fucked up.
Oh yeah, this already feels a lot better with the shots. The only rig that's been able to climb this.
One more. Is it heavy enough? Oh! I was watching IRL. I hope I fully got that. That was really cool.
Seems like the shit that your should have.
Well, shit, we should have. My yard's big enough. We're throwing shit in the backyard. Okay. Dude, oh.
The loudest thing on this is the fan.
Mm-hmm. Oh. No.
It's got two. It's folding that front tire over.
I seen it. Roll out.
Should have enough suspension.
Get I think it's stuck on a vine. Oh, God. Over and through. Oh, yeah! Cock shot.
Well, I can't get up the road cushion.
Yeah, it's pretty fucked.
The best part is this battery's like not even all the way charged.